Deferred versus Postponed FERS. Who can restore FEHB? Two federal employees can leave the government before starting their pensions, but only one may be able to restore FEHB later. The difference comes down to two words that are often confused: deferred and postponed. Deferred retirement generally applies when you leave federal service before qualifying for an immediate annuity. You usually need at least 5 years of creditable civilian service, and you must leave your FERS retirement contributions in the system. Your pension can begin later when you meet the applicable age and service requirement. Postponed retirement is different. You must already qualify for an immediate A+10 annuity when you separate, meaning you have reached your minimum retirement age with at least 10 years of creditable service. Instead of starting a reduced pension immediately, you delay it to reduce or potentially eliminate the age penalty. Consider Elena and Mark. Both have 15 years of service. Elena leaves at age 57 after reaching her MRA. She qualifies for MRA+10, so she can postpone her pension until age 62. Mark leaves at age 52. Because he has not reached his MRA, his future pension is deferred rather than postponed. They both receive their pensions later, but their insurance options are not the same. If Elena met the FEHB continuation requirements when she separated, her coverage ends during the postponement period, but she may re-enroll when her postponed annuity begins. Mark generally cannot resume FEHB, FEGLI, dental or vision coverage when a deferred pension begins. Deferred retirees also do not receive credit for unused sick leave in the pension calculation and are not eligible for the FERS annuity supplement. Before leaving federal service, confirm which category applies to you. Subscribe for more federal retirement strategies and save this video before submitting a resignation.